pork chop.
Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome once again to the Scare Factor. We have returned to Black Orchard Haunted House down here in Shelbyville, Kentucky for their summer slaughter event. The haunt's actually under new ownership now, so we have no idea what to expect inside of here now. Can't wait to get inside, so without further ado, let's get in here and get some scares.
Pork chop doesn't eat people, he's vegan.
Yeah. Like actually getting in the bag.
Oh God, okay.
Is that one of the breathable ones?
It's not breathable, Tyler. Help! I need help. They're trying to kill me. I'm not very quiet, pork chop. Oh no, what does that mean?
They gotta keep their meat market supplied.
It's getting nice and warm, I can tell you that.
Right?
It's not our
for the
turn
bill.
yet. I hear chainsaws. Okay, damn it! I can't shut up! I'm supposed to be dead! It's not working! I didn't know I was going for a ride today! Lindsay, you're supposed to be in this bag, not me!
Yeah, we thought you'd been murdered.
We were.
Do you want to hold my hand? Kind of that thing that you sense right before something bad happens to you.
Well, we got a chicken coop.
Come on in, come on in.
I got killed and I lost my phone. Do you
I
have the
have your
phone?
phone.
Okay.
How y'all doing?
We're doing.
Doing all right? You guys been here before?
Oh yeah.
A couple times? I remember y'all.
A few times.
All right, well, we've done some upgrades this year. We've made it a little bit better, expanded our operations. Still the best meat packing facility around.
Yeah.
Humane. Everything is nice and loved and cared for and petted and all that fun stuff. You guys got any questions?
I asked him, I'm pretty sure there's more chainsaws in there. I could hear them earlier.
Well, we have expanded our production, like I said. So
There it goes.
This way, head goes flying this way. Not that we take care of any of them like that, since we are a humane, loving, animal-friendly place.
Sensing a little reluctance there.
No, just sometimes Anyway, just stop right in my truck. Everything's nice here and polite. And what was your name? Lindsay. We also name all of our animals Lindsay, and that's going to be a great name. You guys got a question? Well, y'all head on in, make sure my facility's up to snuff.
Got a tour of the facility.
Animal-loving facility.
Okay.
Thank you, Atticus.
Oh, there's all kinds of new stuff already. I feel like something's sneaking up on us, but
If
I don't see
look
nothing.
at them, they can't see me, right?
No.
Just don't make eye contact.
They can't see me neither.
I may have just peed a little. I may have peed a little.
That was funny.
Welcome to Black Orchard meat.
Thank you.
Would you like white meat or dark meat?
I like the white
A
meat.
mixture of both. Yeah.
As a matter of fact, I think we'll take
No. As Lindsay would say, that's not necessary.
It's not necessary.
Where do you think you're going?
We're going downhill
We're
or
going this way.
something. We don't know where we're going.
Oh, God.
What's going on?
You're not supposed to see my face. You think I'm pretty?
Yeah.
I don't trust it.
Faster.
I don't trust it.
Hurry
We need to go faster. But then they'll just kill us.
Limpy a hand now.
Limpy.
Limpy, no, you're supposed to be working on that truck.
Atticus hired me to fix this truck here.
Yeah, you
Oh,
did.
Limpy, the mechanic.
I mean, it might be the radiator.
No, he's got a shredded transmission.
Oh.
Busted heck head.
It's too much skinny pedal.
Uh-oh. Oh, God.
Oh, God. Chainsaw.
No. Oh, don't.
Butcher, for those of you not know, who wants to meet my little sister Jessie? My baby sister. I brought my baby sister Jessie in here.
Oh, Jessie. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah.
Come on, we got the table. Isn't she flawless?
Oh, yeah.
She is pretty as a picture. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Yeah.
I think she's sick.
Oh God.
Oh. I'm pretty sure she's pretty sick.
It happens.
Okay.
It does happen. Or we send y'all in.
Something happened to me.
Sign y'all in.
Oh, Sinbad.
Everybody got to sign in. You know what, Nora? Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Simba. All right. What I want you guys to do, all the way down there, sing me the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer song. Just for our little Rudolph, which means Rudolph.
Reindeer had a little shiny eye. And if you ever saw it, alright, switch. Oh, he's coming up here. Oh, God. Oh, Kenny! Kenny's trying to kill me! Oh, no! He's in the back. Oh, God, that was a good one. Oh, he's gone. Oh, no, not you again. No,
How we doing tonight?
fantastic.
Doing good. Well, don't let the air in. Let's go. Come on.
Don't let the air in,
Oh, there
okay?
again, yeah.
I'm gonna show my baby. Looks like a good mother. Looks like you can be a good mother.
I think it's crying. It's crying.
It's crying.
Yes.
Made it mad. Don't listen to them. It's the vultures. Look what they did to Shelbyville.
Oh, yeah.
That ain't good.
My collection, do you think it's pretty?
Yeah.
Do you think my collection's pretty? All my
Very
stuff?
much so.
All my fun stuff, look at it.
All the
Look at it.
stuff?
It's so
Yeah.
pretty.
It's wonderful.
It's so pretty. You really like it?
Yeah.
You really do? You promise?
I think I might
promise?
try to collect some of
Don't
that
collect
stuff.
none of my stuff.
Why
Don't
not?
touch it. Don't touch
Well,
it.
that's not fair.
Don't touch my collection.
I didn't.
Don't touch my stuff. I seen you touch it.
Don't touch it.
I seen you touch it.
I didn't do it.
I seen you touch it.
I didn't do it.
Why is it wet over here? He's got his underwear on.
Yeah, I need all.
I get you all nice and clean for us to the slaughter. Hey, look at that.
Clean meat. Oh, that's slippery. Oh my.
Eat them yet?
No, not yet. We're not clean yet.
Nice and cold. I don't care. I eat my good. Alright, y'all ready? Go on to the slaughterhouse.
We can go on.
Slaughter? Okay. You stay in the tub.
He's coming out.
What you doing with me? I don't have to go. They're coming. I don't have the key.
All the way back. Look at my phone. Why are you looking at my phone?
It's nice.
My phone. Anybody? I know you got. You want to touch my phone?
Yeah.
That's the biggest thing I've ever seen.
That was up there. Oh, yeah. That was good.
Gonna cut us.
This way.
They're hard to cook. Wake him up. Hey, wake up.
Please.
Wake up.
Please, can you wake him up?
I don't
need
wake
you.
up.
I need your help.
I think it's something to do with his leg.
No, you can save him. You
I
can
don't-
save him.
I think it's something to do with his leg.
I think he's probably just covering
His
up.
leg.
Yeah.
I need. No, you can wake him up.
You can put him
you
up
can
there.
wake him up, please.
Wake up.
You can wake him up.
Wake up. He's not waking up. God, it's a bushman. What is going on here? She's got a bone. This is when the Jaws music comes on.
Something's gonna get us.
Oh no.
Oh,
It
God.
looks abandoned. There ain't
It's
nobody
like
out here.
D-Day.
I don't Oh my goodness. I think we burnt 1,000 calories in there.
I guarantee
That was
it.
great.
You came out of nowhere. What the hell?
That was great.
Well, if you enjoyed this tour of Black Orchard Haunted House, I got another one for you right here. Make sure you check it out as well.
Tyler. Okay.
There she goes. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay scary.